Okay guys, I'm not much for room tours, but I'll show you a room tour here at Excalibur.
Floor 9.
And yes, I am on floor 9. Long corridor, and I'm way down on the end. Floor is pretty cool. Lighting is pretty cool. It's an overall pretty good room. Happy with it. I have 4 out of the 5 nights comped. So can't complain with that. $116 for 5 nights. Find my key here. So pretty basic. I'm not going to do a whole room tour. Just quick show. Pretty decent view, I'd say. This is Resort Tower at Excalibur from the 9th floor. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following.